Hello friends, welcome to my channel. मैं am Riddhima. In last class we have learnt about the pronunciation of alphabets. In today's lesson we will learn about the sounds of some specific alphabets. So let's start. El alfabeto Che. The sound of letter Che is very easy. It is similar to the words of English like cherry, chair, and this letter comes before vowels. For example, chica. Chocolate. Chequiar. Chatiar. Chico. El alfabeto H. The letter H is always silent. Por ejemplo, helado. Huevos. Hombre. El alfabeto J. The letter J in all cases is sound like soft G, that is much like an H in English. Por ejemplo, jamón. Jefe. Jugar. El alfabeto K. The sound of K is formed with the letter combinations like C plus A is equal to K. For example, casa. C plus O is equal to co. For example, comer. C plus U is equal to Q. For example, curso. Q plus E is equal to K. For example, queso. Q plus I is equal to ki. For example, quitar. K plus A is equal to ka, karate. K plus I is equal to ki, kilometro. K plus E is equal to K, ketchup. El alfabeto Ly. The letter Ly corresponds to the sound of Y in English. For example, llamar, calle. El alfabeto R. The letter R at the beginning of the word and the letter doble R or R have a loud sound. Por ejemplo, carro, perro, restaurante. El alfabeto V. The letter V sounds as B. There is almost no difference between V and B in Spanish. Por ejemplo, vaca, botella, vehículo. El alfabeto Z. The letter Z corresponds to the sound of S. For example, zapatos. So friends, if you liked my video, like, share and subscribe.